Wonderful, my lovely people. Not be smarting they happen. So APC don't tell Nigerians say we tell you that they say Donald Trump and Barack Obama say they block the academic results and the sky not turn pink. He says so right now. May we know say even our very own former president, Goodluck Jonathan, successfully blocked the release of his doctorate degree record to Atiku in 2015. He says, so not be today Atiku start. And so Atiku has also done, Tinubu is not the first person he will pursue to get academic record. He said Atiku also pursued Goodluck Jonathan. So this what is happening now is not new. Say it's not new. Well, my lovely, wonderful people, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe as we get all the details. Atiku did not start with Tinubu, so we are not afraid. Former President Jonathan successfully blocked the release of his doctorate degree record to Atiku in 2015. The University of Port Harcourt has declined a Freedom of Information (FOI) request for the doctorate degree records of President Goodluck Jonathan. In a response to the instituted case of Atiku by the Human Rights and Humanitarian Law, a Rivers State-based civil society organization, the university said a request for President Jonathan's academic record did not fall within the premise of the FOI law. The management of the university has successfully considered your request, vice versa. The FOI Act, the university stands in their letter dated 26 February 2015 and signed by Eric Loveday, the institution legal officer. It is my instruction to inform you. I have been instructed to inform you that your request does not come within the relevant provision of the FOI Act for its practicality for the release of the university degree, doctorate degree of Goodluck Jonathan. Details of the PhD degree of President Goodluck Jonathan in the University of Port Harcourt cannot therefore be made available to you. The Institute of Human Rights and Humanitarian Law has filed an FOI request 3 weeks ago to the university seeking relevant details of Jonathan's doctorate qualification. The letter requested the following information relating to the President doctorate qualification and the provision of Section 2 and 4 of the FOI Act 2011. The title of the President doctorate dissertation, the year of registration as a doctorate candidate, the name of his doctorate supervisor, the name of his external examiner, comments, reports of the external examiner will given during his dissertation, photocopies of his dissertation thesis, date of graduation from the university. The organization said it was willing to bear any costs the university might incur in making photocopies of the request document and post them. President Jonathan was admitted into the Department of Zoology and which had been renamed to Animal Environmental Biology, University of Port Harcourt in 1977, where he graduated with second-class upper division. In 1985, Mr. Jonathan obtained a master's science degree in horticulture and fisheries and a doctorate of physiology degree in zoology 10 years later. Both degrees were also from the University of Port Harcourt. Later, Mr. Jonathan's academic qualification have come under increased scrutiny ahead of the forthcoming general election at the time. Critics have accused the president of failing to complete the doctorate program, which he claimed he has. In response to the request by Punch newspaper on January, the university dismissed such claim as having neither leg nor grounds on the stance. Atiku also wrote, and the result was also turned down. So they said this is not the first time that Atiku will request for such. Okay, so this is not the first time, and that at the end of the day, whether Atiku requests or he does not request for anything like this, the matter is that at the end of the day, nothing happened to Jonathan, nothing will also happen to Tinubu. that this is not the first time, it will act or behave in such a way. So my lovely, wonderful people, it is important that we all see these things for what they are and ensure that, we do everything, humanly speaking, possible, to ensure that the truth is manifested. So they are telling us now that, Atiku is in the habit of getting people's academic record. If he's doing that, that means him himself, he has a credible academic record. Yes, if he does not have it, I don't think he'll be going out to look for people's own. I don't think he'll be going out to look for people's own. So it's those that do not have it, that are being, that are feeling, that are feeling out of place, that are feeling that, it should have not been released. So what exactly is going on here, and why, are we having all this coming up again and again? So this is a very, very serious matter, and everybody is watching to see, how things will go on, and how we can truly, sincerely, make a difference. So it is what it is. It is a matter of urgent attention, and everybody is waiting patiently to see, what will be happening next. Yes, so we don't totally get the whole picture, but they are trying to say that if Atiku has requested something before and nothing happened, this is not the first time, and nobody should take it seriously, and nobody should, excuse me, whether you take it seriously or not, whether you stand, for it or not, it doesn't really make much difference. It doesn't really make much difference. It doesn't. So at this point in time, everybody must be able to know, truly and sincerely speaking, if there's going to be anything, from all of this. Okay, if there's going to be anything going on from all of this. Okay, so it's really serious. Okay, and everybody needs to rise up, and we need to understand where we are at, to ensure that, we understand, what is happening going forward from now. How do we make this difference? How do we make this difference, and ensure that truth is manifested on all fronts? You see, with that truth is manifested, on all fronts. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us is bye for now. God bless. Bye bye.